Hello dear students, hope you all are doing well and enjoying your online classes also. So welcome to your online class and this is your general knowledge subject. Today in this video, I'll cover your two lessons, lesson number 7, famous firsts and lesson number 8, science quiz. So let's start. So here is your lesson number 7, famous first. Read the question first. Match the names of the people with the feat they achieved. First one is first person to go into space and the answer is Yuri Gagarin. He was a Soviet Air Forces pilot and cosmonaut who became the first human to journey into outer space, achieving a major milestone in the space race. His capsule Vostok 1 completed one orbit of Earth on 12th April 1961. Second is first woman to win a Pulitzer Prize for Poetry and she is Sarah Tisdale. She was an American lyric poet and won a Pulitzer Prize for Poetry in 1918 for love songs. Third is first woman president of India and she is Pratibha Patil. She is an Indian politician who served as the first woman president of India from 2007 to 2012. See fourth one, first person to win 2 Nobel Prizes and she is Marie Curie. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize in physics and with her later win in chemistry she became the first person to claim Nobel honors twice. Fifth, first woman in space and the answer is Valentina Tereshkova. She is a member of Russia's State Duma, engineer and former cosmonaut. She is the first and youngest woman to have flown in space with a solo mission on the Vostok 6 on 16th June 1963. Now sixth, first cricketer to score 100 centuries and the answer is Sachin Tendulkar. He is a former Indian international cricketer and has become the first player to score 100 international centuries by compiling a ton in a one-day defeat against Bangladesh in Dhaka. Seventh, first Asian to win a Nobel Prize and the answer is Rabindranath Tagore. He was a poet, musician, Ayurveda researcher and artist who recast music, Bengali literature and Indian art in 19th and early 20th century. In 1913, Rabindranath Tagore became the first Asian to win Nobel Prize in literature. Now 8th, first woman to win an Olympic gold medal and the answer is Charlotte Cooper. She was an English female tennis player who won 5 singles titles at the Wimbledon Championships and in 1900 became the first female Olympic tennis champion. Now see question number 9. First woman to cross the Atlantic in an aeroplane and the answer is Amelia Earhart. She was an American aviation pioneer and author. She was the first female aviator to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean in 1928. Now see question number 10. First person to score 10,000 runs in Test cricket and the answer is Sunil Gavaskar. He is a former Indian international cricketer who played from the early 1970s to the late 1980s and was the first person to score 10,000 runs in Test cricket. Now 11th, first Indian woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest and the answer is Bachendri Pal. She is an Indian mountaineer who in 1984 became the first Indian woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest. Last one, first Asian woman to cross the English Channel and the answer is Aarti Saha. She was an Indian long distance swimmer best known for becoming the first Asian woman to swim across English Channel in 29th September 1959. So here we have done lesson number 7, famous firsts. Now we will do lesson number 8, science quiz. Read the question first. Fill in the blanks with the correct options. Here options are given. You have to choose the correct options. First one is a deficiency of iron in the body causes dash and the options are anemia or polycythemia, and the correct option is anemia. So a deficiency of iron in the body causes anemia. Second, the tearing of paper is a dash change, and the options are physical or chemical change, and the correct option is physical change, because in a chemical change there is a change in the composition of the substances, while in physical change there is a change in appearance, smell, or simple display of a sample of matter without a change in composition. Third, the movement of an elbow occurs due to the dash joint, and the options are ball and socket joint or hinge joint, and the correct option is hinge joint, because ball and socket joint is where the ball shaped surface of one bone fits into the cup like shape of another, example hip and shoulder, while hinge joint is that which only allows motion in two directions, forward and backward, example knees and elbows. So the movement of an elbow occurs due to the hinge joint. Next, fourth, dash cholesterol is referred to as bad cholesterol and increases the risk of heart diseases. And options are LDL or HDL, and the correct answer is LDL. That's because HDL carries cholesterol to your liver, where it can be removed from your bloodstream before it builds up in your arteries, while LDL on the other hand takes cholesterol directly to your arteries. Clear? Now fifth, when the sun, moon and earth are in the same line with the moon in the center, it is called a dash eclipse, and the options are solar or lunar, and the correct answer is solar. Sixth, the region of strongest magnetism in a bar magnet is near the dash. So the options are center or poles, and the correct option is poles, because magnetism at the center of a bar magnet is 0. And question number 7, the release of water through the stomata on a leaf is known as dash, and the options are evaporation or transpiration, and the correct option is transpiration, because transpiration is the loss of water from the plant cells, while evaporation is the loss of water from the free surface. Now eighth, milk is dash in water, and the options are miscible or immiscible, and the answer is miscible. Milk is miscible in water, because miscible liquids can be easily dissolved in any other liquids, while immiscible liquids do not dissolve in other liquids. Ninth, dash can travel through a vacuum, and the options are light or sound, and the correct option is light. Light can travel through a vacuum, because a vacuum is an area without any air like space. So sound cannot travel through a vacuum because there is no matter for vibration to work on it. Now see the last question. Dash is also referred to as far-sightedness, and the options are myopia or hyperopia, and the correct option is hyperopia. Hyperopia is also referred to as far-sightedness, and myopia is also referred to as nearsightedness. Okay. Now one more information is given in fact file, so read it out this. Water contracts on cooling until it reaches a temperature of 4 degrees Celsius. When it is cooled further to 0 degrees, it starts to expand, which is why ice floats on water. So here we have done our 2 lessons. Lesson number 7, famous first, and lesson number 8, science quiz. Now I'll meet you in the next video with new lesson. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy and stay safe.